Guys, my cough syrup's ready. I made it about 7 weeks ago. I did a video on it, so I'll put that in my story so you can see what all I put in it. It's packed with this shit, okay? It's got like garlic and lemon and all the herbs and honey and I kept this under my counter, well, in a cabinet down here in the dark and totally forgot about it. And my son's been coughing. It's like, dang, I couldn't get this. So, anyway, it's done. It's really done. We're gonna strain it, we're gonna jar it, and then we're gonna prepare it for the family so that we can start taking it in these colder months. I also sell it on my apothecary if you would like some. So I will drop the link in the comments so that you guys can go over there soon, soon, soon. We'll have a TikTok shop. I promise. But for now, go to my website, get some shit because it's cold and y'all getting sick and you need it. This is made with love, okay? I promise you. It's some good stuff. It smells so good. Like obviously you can smell the garlic and the honey. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to try this. It's gonna be good. We've been taking our tonic too. I don't know if you can see my tonic back there. Oh, damn, I moved it. On that side. But look at some of my videos. You can see them back. I'm gonna do a video for that one too. That one's spicy. It's a kicker, but it like clears your whole nose out. It's like a fire tonic. It's so good. You gotta do it. That the fire tonic um helped my entire family during COVID because it clears out your whole entire it has something sure. It clears out your lungs, helps you if you have pneumonia. It's really good. I'm gonna squeeze all this stuff out of it, all this juice, and that's all the properties. I don't have my cheesecloths, so I'm just gonna squeeze with my hands, get all that out, and add it back into there, mix it up, prepare to jar it, and like I said, go to my website. This is some good shit. It's getting cold. People are getting sick. You really need it. It's www.crunchyloan.com. I got a heck of other stuff on it too. Just go look me up. Get you some. I have to put some in a jar for my family. So we're about to put this in a mason jar and have some for ourselves. How it tastes. You can definitely taste that garlic. So brush your teeth after taking this. Make sure your breath is good. Anyway, that's me.